Hey guys, for this project you'll need either some paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls, some canvas or paper, and some acrylic paint and some scissors. And what you're going to do with your toilet paper roll is take your scissors and just cut little slits all the way around. And your toilet paper roll is going to become your brush. So this is how it looks, and you can kind of spread out the bristles, and that's how it looks. So you're going to want to dip it in some acrylic paint or whatever kind of paint you like. And this is such a fun project to do with kids, and it really turns out neat. So just cover your toilet paper roll, the little bristles, and just add it to your canvas. And it kind of makes a cool pattern that reminds me of like fireworks, or maybe a flower, or even like a lion. So just use your imagination and just dip it in your paint and then turn it around and apply it to your canvas or paper. And like I said, this is simple and fun to do, and you could use different colors, some paints with metallic. You could even add some glitter on this. But like I said, it's just a simple toilet paper roll, and it ends up being a really cool brush and artwork that you could do with your kids, young kids, older kids. It doesn't matter. It's still fun. My daughter enjoyed doing these with me. And the canvas that I'm holding came from Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was like a 2-pack. They're 8x10s for like $2.99, I think. And then this canvas came from Dollar Tree, and it was $1 for each canvas. And I just used a paper towel roll for that one. And so the little bristles, if you want to call it, they're a little bit longer for this one. And so it makes a neat flower pattern or starburst or fireworks or whatever you want to call it. Just use your imagination and your creativity. It kind of looks like a paint splash too, like somebody just kind of flicked it. But just put something down to cover your countertop so you don't get paint everywhere. And you might want to wear an old t-shirt or something while you're doing this. But it turns out so cool, and it's so much fun. So my daughter and I made several of these, and we thought it would be like cool, like if you had a wall that you needed to fill, and you could do several of them and kind of put it together on your wall. But we just played around with it, and so I'm going to be quiet now and let you watch the rest of the video, and you can see how our artwork turned out. And I hope that you will try this too with your kids, because like I said, it's fun to do. It would also be a fun project for like teachers to do, to have something for their students to take home to their parents, maybe for Christmas. I used to teach elementary school, and I always like to have something cute for the kids to take home to their parents, special that they made themselves. So I think this is fun, and you could do it with this gold. Really looks pretty, and maybe do gold and silver, and then maybe you could also maybe have them do a handprint in the center of it or something to make it even more special to the parents. But like I said, the gold and silver really to me looks festive, and it really sparkles and shimmers with the light. So like I said, it's just an idea, something to do with your kids, and it makes a special gift, you know, for grandparents and parents and friends and family and loved ones. So I hope you like this little project of ours, and I hope you'll try it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And if you have already, thank you so much, and I appreciate all my viewers. Thank you guys.